Et je vous souhaite
I will
une
introduce
agréable
our
séance.
DGA, Soraya Warner
Présenter
Mustache.
maintenant
DGA Soraya is a corporate banking professional for over 40
Soraya,
years.
DG Soraya,
She's a member of the Rotary Club of St. Lucia since
dans
2010.
le secteur de la
She
finance,
served as a president of her club,
Sainte-Lucie,
served
depuis
as a district deputy,
2010. Elle a été présidente du
served
club
as a district
et
interact chair.
aussi
DGA Soraya is a Paul Harris Fellow.
district et
She is a charter and continuing member of the
acte de
Spring
district
7030 Polio Plus Society. And she's a member of the Paul Harris Society.
de la
I will
société Paul
be a little bit short
Plus,
because I
Paul
know
Harris
we all want to go to the
Society,
presentations of our two people tonight. Please give a warm welcome to our DGA
va
Soraya
être trop
Warner
long.
staff. Soraya, the floor is yours.
Thank you so
Soraya,
much, Liz. And good evening to everyone, and welcome to our second PEL session.
bonjour à tous
I
et
do have
bienvenue.
a brief presentation, so just allow me to share my screen, please.
Partager avec vous.
Thank you again. I would like to acknowledge the past
Merci.
district governors on the call. In
Exemple
particular,
des anciens
PVG
gouverneurs,
Lara, who is our
Collier,
featured presenter this evening, and who will be more formally introduced later in the program. I also want to
présentés plus
acknowledge
officiellement dans le cadre de notre séance. Aussi
our other
noter
district leaders and all of our president-elects, secretary-elects, all incoming leadership. This is really your session, and tonight it is all about leadership. I would like, however, to talk a little bit about leadership expectations
leadership.
and provide a recap following Tuesday's session. You know, Rotary tells us about
Revue
our
sur ce
5
qui a
core
été
values.
fait durant
And I
la
do
dernière
believe
séance.
that leadership can
Le
be considered the
Rotary
most
nous a
important value of them all. Strong visionary leaders are essential for guiding our organization through these changing times and ensuring that Rotary's mission and values endure. So as we move through our discussions this evening, I would like to encourage all of our leaders on the call
Je voudrais encourager nos dirigeants
to embrace their
de
leadership roles and to fully reflect on your why. Why Rotary? What is inspiring me to lead right now? Am I ready to lead? Am I ready to lead with passion and purpose? And if not, what do I need
avec
to close in
passion,
on these gaps? Leadership in Rotary
qu'est-ce qu'il
is
faut que je
not
fasse
merely
pour
about
combler ces
holding a
lacunes,
title
ces
or
lacunes?
position. It is about leading by example, inspiring others, and taking
De
initiative
mener
to address
en donnant
pressing issues.
l'exemple,
Rotary leaders are
prendre des
individuals who
initiatives pour
embody the
traiter
4
des
way
questions
test,
courantes.
ensuring that their actions and
Arrivent,
decisions are rooted in
sont
truth, fairness, goodwill, and beneficial outcomes for all concerned.
sont
In
ancrés
our
dans la
first session on
justice.
Tuesday, you were introduced to Rotary's action plan. And more
Séance
importantly, on how to
mardi, on
use
vous
the
a
action plan and its supporting priorities to assist you with your own club planning. And this was deliberate because this is
vous
where
allez
I
être
would like you to
accompagné
start.
dans cette.
With one, envisioning your plans
Nous
for the
aimerions que
year
vous commenciez
and
par cela,
determining what your priorities should look like.
d'envisager quel sera
And
votre
two,
plan et en
reflecting on
déterminant
leadership,
quelle
on
sera
you as a
votre
leader
carte de route,
and on the
en
leadership team that
réfléchissant
you
sur
would
le
need to build.
leadership.
As a president-elect, and I'm addressing the president-elects on the call, you start off with developing and evaluating your club plan
Vous avez comme
to make sure it
on
is
est par
current and relevant.
plan du club,
And so it is important
à jour,
that
qu'il est
you know and
pertinent,
understand
Il est
What
important
our eyes focus is,
que vous
what the
compreniez
highest priorities are, what our action plan is all about,
les
and the
axes
strategic priorities
prioritaires,
underpinning this plan.
les priorités stratégiques du
The
plan.
incoming president-elect Mario started us off with his focus through the new presidential message,
À
Unite for Good, issuing a call to rejuvenate
l'axe
Rotary. President-elect Mario sees innovation, continuity, and that is continuity of leadership and the development of partnerships
sur la
as the
continuité,
three
la
pillars
continuité du
necessary to revitalize our organization.
et
And while our
développement
external
sont les
priority
trois
remains
piliers
as
pour revitaliser
verification,
notre
membership
organisation.
growth is our number one
Priorité
and
extrême
only internal
sur
priority.
l'éradication de la
With a
polio
call from
et toutes
President-elect
les
Mario to pursue multiple channels or avenues through which we can expand our
essayer
reach
de
and grow membership. So as we prep for our year,
euh,
we already know what
action.
our main internal focus is. And this is important
Notre
as it needs to filter through two clubs and
important
general membership.
l'accent sur
So here we have our strategic
club.
priorities. And you will recall, we touched on this on Tuesday, but it is shared here again to provide broader context for you, as we want you to get
Afin de vous
comfortable with these
donner dans le
priorities,
contexte,
such
vous mettre
that
en
you
contexte,
can engage your clubs confidently and use these to
j'ai
drive
vos
your plan
clubs
and
avec
activities.
confiance
So that as you plan out your year under enhanced
et
participant
durant cet
engagement, for
exercice,
example, the question becomes,
allez
how can you
améliorer
create
l'engagement
a
des
club environment
participants.
that adds value to your members? You want to take the time to understand
Environnement
their
qui
needs,
ajoute de la
how
valeur,
they would like to be
le
involved,
temps de bien comprendre leurs besoins,
expand our reach,
la manière dont
think
ils
about
souhaitent
how you can
club,
collaborate with new groups, which could make your club more appealing,
comment
which could
collaborer avec de
encourage a
nouveaux groupes
diverse membership base and expand your capacity to serve, increase our impact.
actifs,
How can you measure
cité
the
de
results
service.
of your service projects? Doing so will help
Enfin, comment
you
pouvez-vous
see
mesurer
the
les
impact
résultats de
of
vos
what is
actions?
happening and ensure that
Vous
projects
pouvez
add value
constater
to the
l'impact de
community.
votre club, vous
Increase
assurer
our
que vous
ability
assurez
to adapt. Are there
pour la communauté
opportunities to streamline how your club operates? Do your activities add
capacité
value?
d'adaptation. Est-ce que vos
Evaluating your
activités
internal
ajoutent de la
processes and
valeur
activities is essential to creating a strong
interne
foundation for innovation,
pour avoir un
sustainability, and
fondement
growth. You would already
à,
be made
à
aware
long
of
terme?
the changes in Rotary Club Central to capture these priorities, which, as
En
indicated before, is in an effort to get
sein,
all of our members comfortable with the language and the approach that
tous
RIs
les
will be
membres
taking.
soient confortables avec
So letting you know
la
here that the
formulation.
sources on the action plan coming off of Tuesday's session
Donc,
will be shared with you in the next
allons
3
partager
days.
donc
We now
un
move
jour à
on to your
venir
roles
ce
and
que nous avons fait.
responsibilities as club leaders. The responsibilities indicated
Tous
here are as advised by Rotary
responsabilités,
International.
comme indiqué sur
And
l'écran
additional information
et
can be
comme
found on this on the Learning Center. And we will discuss this more deeply at our in-person PELs. But immediately it is clear that as club presidents, you are expected to lead in every area of club
attend
business. And so the
tous
responsibilities
les
are to
domaines
lead your club, oversee your
de
club's finances,
guider
guide efforts
votre
to
club, de
attract and engage
superviser les
members,
finances du club,
develop your club's public image
faire des efforts pour
strategy,
attirer,
promote the Rotary
développer une
Foundation,
stratégie
and lead
d'image publique
service efforts.
de la Fondation
All of this
Rotary
is, of course,
et
managed through
orienter
your
les
club
efforts en
officers and
matière
committees.
d'action.
But you are the leader.
Avec la-
And according to
de
Simon
vos
Sinek, you are the
collaborateurs.
CEO of the vision that's been outlined for your club. You would be aware that Rotary is experienced
C'est défini pour votre
and
club.
through the clubs. And so it is super important that we lead effectively
Vécu à
so
travers
that we
les
can
clubs,
have
donc il est
thriving
important.
and successful
Si
clubs.
j'ai efficacement afin
Recent
d'avoir
Rotary
des
surveys
réussites.
suggest that there are a couple of factors impacting the club experience, which is why our members leave. One of them
On a constaté une des raisons
actually
pour
is
lesquelles
confidence
il
in
y
the club
avait
leadership. And so it is
des
necessary
cesses,
that we as leaders
c'est
give
la
thought to this area, hence the session today, where we look at
donc c'est pour
effective leadership
ça
and how we can
qu'aujourd'hui,
help you succeed.
un
The other
leadership
factors
efficace,
are
comment
meeting
nous allons
enjoyment,
aider
personal growth
y
opportunities,
arriver,
connections, that is relationships in the club, and meaningful service.
possibilité
Now, managing the
de
overall club experience will be further discussed at our membership sessions,
créer
both
l'expérience des
virtually
clubs
and
sera
in person.
discutée,
But this evening, we focus
sera
on leadership
discutée
and how we can support you.
leadership et comment nous allons vous accompagner.
The final slide this evening touches on resources,
Et
more
finalement,
importantly, utilizing the resources that are available.
comment
Rotary
utiliser
is
les ressources
providing
qui
significant resources on My Rotary on the Learning
Tari
Center,
nous fournit
such
un
that
nombre
we can
incomparable
have the necessary knowledge to manage our roles. Let the Learning
afin
Center
de
be your
bien
go-to. There are so many practical tools available there to help you be effective in your roles. But not only you, your entire
pour
team. There is something for everyone on the Learning Center. And unfortunately, when we look
peu
at
quelque
the
chose pour tout un
Learning
chacun
Center
dans ses
reports,
ressources.
the statistics in terms of usage,
Malheureusement, quand
there
on
is really a very poor
les
showing from our
statistiques,
leadership, our club leadership in particular. President-elect
une grande
Mario is encouraging us to be the
circulation de
best
ces
qualified
ressources.
team of volunteers.
Nous
For you club presidents, I ask
à
that you ensure that
volontaires
your club
sont
members
engagés et
get involved,
que vous assuriez que
get into the Learning Center,
soient
and take up
impliqués
the courses that are available and are specific to their role. As a club
pour les
president,
cours
I'm
qui
asking
sont
that you ensure that you complete
club,
club president courses for your role by
que
20th
vous
April
cours
2025.
pour les présidents,
This was a very
pour
short presentation and intended really to set the
bien vous
tone and to do a recap of what we
cela
touched on Tuesday. So at this point, I thank you for your attention and I hand back to our
avions
facilitator to introduce PDG
mardi.
who will
Je vais
present
maintenant
our
passer
facilitation. Thank you so much.
production de PDG Lara,
Thank you, PDGE Soraya. And I'm happy that you
GI
are
Soraya,
short
et je suis
presentation, so we have
heureuse
great
que vous
time.
ayez une
And I would like to take
présentation
also the
courte.
opportunity to welcome everybody who came a little bit after 7 o'clock. We don't mind, but
C'est la
please try
bienvenue
next
à
time
tous
also
ceux
to
qui
be on
sont
time. We
entrés
try
dans
to
la
have
salle
the
après
sessions
19 heures, mais je
within
vous
90
encourage
minutes to also
à être à
facilitate
l'heure,
you. So please try to be on time. If you have
aussi
the possibility, turn on your
être à
camera
l'heure,
and use our background. Now I'm going to
possibilité,
back to the
mettez votre
introduction
caméra en
of
marche.
our speaker of tonight, PDG Lara.
Je vais faire
She
la
is well known
présentation
for
de
her
Lara,
business networking skills and committed to philanthropy.
poussée
Lara Contel Thomas.
en
She's a
matière de
leading
création de
HR and
réseaux.
recruitment service participant in Trinidad and Tobago. With more than 30
Premier
years
plan
of
dans le domaine des
experience.
ressources humaines à
Her
Trinité et
role as
Tobago
founder
avec
and
plus de
chairman
30
of Regency Recruitment and Resources includes strategic
présidentes
planning, crafting
de
HR
Regency
service
Recruitment
proposals
and
and
Resources,
contracts, negotiations, client master service agreements,
laboratoire
and curating and facilitating training programs for corporate customers and
de
project
services,
partners, including performance management,
animation de programmes de
business
formation
etiquette,
pour les
interviewing
entreprises
skills,
clientes,
and professional
qui
networking.
inclut notamment
Currently
sujet,
enrolled for
la
dual
gestion des
courses
performances, l'étiquette
with the University of Trinidad and Tobago. Lara is exploring workplace
inscrite
policies to support female employers
Trinité et Tobago,
experiencing
politique du
perimenopause
lieu
and
du
in workers.
travail,
Her education includes an MBA
Voyez,
from Henley
périménopause et en
Business School and
ménopause.
certificates in industrial
De
relations,
MBA
labor
de la
law, behavioral
Henley
economics,
Business
and
School
contract law.
et de certificat en
I could
relations
tell you there's
industrielles,
many
droit du
more
travail,
to tell,
économie.
but I would like to go a little bit
Il
on
y a
our
encore beaucoup
Rotary
plus de choses qu'on
experience
pourrait
and
citer.
my experience personal
Expérience
with
au Rotary
Rotarian
et mon
PDG
expérience
Lara.
avec les
And if you want to
Rotariens.
meet her in person, please come to the district conference and then you will see what an amazing Rotarian our PDG Lara is.
Voir qu'elle
She's a dedicated Rotarian since
est
1999.
remarquable.
She's a major donor to the Rotary
Elle,
Foundation and as
elle est
our
donatrice
PDG
majeure à la
representative.
Fondation Rotary.
My personal contact with PDG
Honneur
Lara
de
started like
district pour
12
le
years ago when she helped
Mon
our 3
mon
founding
rapport fait
members, I was one of
12
them,
ans,
to charter the Rotary
a
Club
été
of
hôte
Portsmouth
de
in
nos
Dominica.
3
We are
membres.
still grateful for all the work she did for us.
La
Thank you, Lara.
charte,
She's a training facilitator for incoming club
nous sommes
leaders
très
across the
reconnaissants pour le
region, and again, a project I was able to
club
see
en
myself last year in Trinidad.
région.
She managed for the last 8 years the MUM, the
J'ai
annual
eu la
Mother of the United
possibilité
Nations,
de
a huge
constater
development
qu'elle a
program, what is really amazing. I would say,
programme
guys,
annuel de
watch this
développement des
and sign
jeunes
up for it.
dans le cadre de
So I
simulation
tried
de
to make it not too long, but I
quelque
could go
chose
forever.
d'extraordinaire.
Please be ready for our trainer PDG Lara,
Donc, mais
who
j'aurais
will
pu,
help you tonight to become the leader
nous
of
sommes
your
prêts
club.
donc
PDG Lara,
pour
the floor is yours.
accueillir
Thank
PDG
you
Lara.
very much,
Vous
Agent
avez
Reese. Good evening
la
to all my fellow Rotarians across District 30 and before I start my slides, I just want to endorse what Lise has just said about encouraging you. If you're interested in supporting our Model UN, this is our 25th anniversary Model UN here in Trinidad and Tobago this November, and we would love to have delegates from across the district. Grenada's already signed up. I know for sure. I'm anticipating Curacao will be on board again. I know some countries have their own Model UN. Barbados just had theirs. Suriname has a great one. But we are very open to discussing how your interactors and your rotaractors can participate in the Model UN this year if you're interested. But that is not what I'm here to talk about this evening. So we are going to be having a conversation around leadership, and I want to thank DG Soraya for inviting me to spend a bit of time with the incoming club presidents and secretaries. I saw a couple of rotaractors on the call as well. So really wonderful that our young leaders are also part of this conversation. So let me share my screen. We tested this earlier, so hopefully it works.
J'espère que cela va marcher
Press the
bien.
right button. Right, okay. So, as you
Alors,
all know, and
comme
I
vous le
know that pretty
savez,
much everybody on this call
et je
is
sais
already a
que
leader
tous
in
les
some form or
participants
fashion,
présents,
whether
ils
it's as
sont
an
tous ces
entrepreneur,
leaders
as a business
dans les
leader,
différents quartiers
whether it's a
particuliers,
leader
que
of
ce
your
soit
family,
des
a leader in your
entrepreneurs,
church.
des leaders de
Many of us
famille,
have already had many
d'église.
leadership
Nous
experiences in our
avons
lives.
eu beaucoup
For some people,
d'expérience en
this may
matière
not
de
even be the
leadership dans
first
notre
time
vie.
that you're being a
Certains
Rotary Club
d'entre vous, ce
president.
n'est
You
pas
may
la
have
première
been
fois
doing
que
them
vous êtes
perhaps role
président
in the
de club
past,
rotarien.
but
Vous
I
avez
really
déjà
think
eu
it's
ce rôle
important
dans
for
le
us to
passé,
always take
peut-être,
the
mais je pense
opportunity
qu'il est
to
important de
relook at
profiter
how
de
we lead,
l'occasion
to
pour examiner
re-examine whether
encore
or
une
not
fois
we are or
notre
can
style
be more
de
effective
leadership
leaders,
et pour
but
savoir
also
si
to
nous pouvons
say
être
we only
des
have
leaders plus
45
efficaces.
minutes or so today.
Et nous n'avons
Leadership
que
is a deep and
45 minutes.
complex conversation.
Le
It is a
leadership
topic that
est
is
un
covered
thème
in books and
compliqué et
training
profond
seminars and
qui
workshops.
est
So we're really
discuté
not
de plusieurs
going
livres
to be
dans
able
des
to dig into
ateliers.
it in any
Alors,
great
nous ne
depth. So I would
pourrons pas
encourage you
vraiment entrer
after this
dans
conversation
tous les
to do as
détails,
the DG
mais
has
à la
suggested
suite
and
de
go to the Rotary
cette
Learning Centre.
conversation, je vous
I'm very
conseille
happy.
de
I know the
visiter le
PDGs on
centre
the call are very happy
d'apprentissage de
to
leader.
also have more in-depth
Je sais que
conversations with
nous sommes
you
tous
and your
disposés à
incoming
avoir des
board. Your
discussions
assistant
plus
governors are there to
profondes
support you. So
avec
this is really the
euh,
beginning of a
vos
conversation
les
and a
leaders
training about
qui sont
being an
disposés à
effective
vous
club
aider.
leader.
C'est le
So we're
début
just
d'un
going to
système de
share tonight
formation en matière de
a
direction
few
efficace,
concepts of
leadership
leadership
efficace. Je vais
that you can
partager
then
quelques
take back to
concepts
your club and to
de
your board
leadership que
and
vous
explore
pouvez
how to
ramener
actually
dans vos
apply
vies
them
et vous
when
pouvez
your year begins
explorer
on
la
July
façon
1st. course of planning will start well in advance of that, both here in Trinidad at the
vous
Helsinki
allez
conference,
commencer vos
and then your board
séances de
preparation, all of these things that
formation,
you'll
vous
be
allez
hopefully
avoir
some of us
des
going to see
séances de
in Calgary at the
présentation
RI
au
convention.
niveau des
So all now you are
conseils.
preparing
Et
for
on
your
va
leadership
avoir
role.
une conférence
And there
à
are many different
Calgary et
models
vous
of leadership. But
en
what we
train
want
de
to
vous
focus on
préparer
tonight,
pour
and we
vos
think
leaders.
is most appropriate
Et
for
ce
Rotary
soir,
Club leaders
nous voulons
and
mettre
Rotary by
l'accent
extension,
sur ce qui est très
is
important pour les
what we
leaders
call,
des
or what
clubs
is
de
referred to as
Rotary.
authentic and
Et c'est
transformational
un
leadership.
leadership
These things really do tie
authentique
in very
et
well with the values of
transformation.
RI that
Et
DG Soraya
ces
mentioned.
deux
We're
éléments
going to have a
sont
look at
liés
the difference
aux
between a
valeurs que
leader and a
Soraya
manager.
a mentionnées.
We'll
Nous allons
also
voir la
briefly
différence
discuss
entre
how to
leader
manage
et
conflict,
dirigeant.
which as
Nous
we
allons
is
examiner comment
unfortunately
il faut
one
gérer
of
les
the
conflits parce que
one of the
nous le
experiences that you're
savons,
going to have as a
c'est
club leader.
souvent l'une
We all
des
experience
expériences
it.
que
It's
vous
not
allez
human
avoir en tant
nature,
que
but there are
directeur,
some
leader
techniques
d'une
on how
club.
to manage that
Cela
as
fait
a club
partie de la
president.
nature des
And
êtres
then we'll
humains,
look
mais il
at
faut pouvoir
the
gérer ces
characteristics
conflits.
of an
Et
effective leader,
ensuite, nous allons
as well as
examiner les
how you are
caractéristiques
to
du leader
behave
efficace
as a
et
club
comment il
president,
faut se
as a
comporter
representative of
en tant que
Rotary District
directeur d'un club,
7030 and by
en tant que
extension
représentant
Rotary
de ce
International.
district et de Rotary
So just to
International.
set the scene, and DG Soraya has
Je
done this
vais
as
vous donner
well,
quelques
at the International Assembly,
antécédents.
which was held in San Diego earlier
Lors
this
de
year,
l'Assemblée
all of the intra-industry
internationale San
governors around the
Diego, ce
world
temps, tous les niveaux
discussed
gouvernants
what it really
partout dans le
is going
monde
to
ont
take
discuté
to grow
ce
and
qu'il faut
energize,
faire
in some cases
pour
re-energize Rotary
mobiliser
and
pour
Rotary
donner plus
clubs.
de vie
And
au,
again, the
au
DG
club de
spoke about
Rotary.
membership being one of our, or
Et
the
la
most important
DG a
priority for our
mentionné
district.
l'importance
And
d'avoir
the
une plus grande
governors around the world
adhérence.
came up with
Mais les
the idea that we
gouverneurs
need to make
ont
Rotary a place that people love
déterminé
to
qu'il
be.
faut faire que le
And I
Rotary
think that's a
soit
very
un endroit
powerful statement.
qui attire
We
les
may love
gens.
it for
Et je crois
different
que c'est
reasons,
important. Nous l'aimons
but do the
bien, ce
members
club
of your
pour
club
différentes
love being there?
raisons.
And this is
Mais est-ce
something
que
that
les
you in
membres
your
de
Rotary
votre club
journey will have to
aiment
build
bien
or
être
rebuild
présents dans
or
ce club? Et vous
expand
devez
or build on
construire
what's
ou
already gone
reconstruire
before you
ou
to make sure
élargir
that
ce
your
qui
club
existe
is a
déjà
place people
pour
love to
faire en
be.
sorte que
A lot of that
le
is
club
around
soit
having
un
fun and
endroit
fellowship, sharing
accueillant. Il
stories,
faut
but it also
s'amuser,
is
il faut
about
partager
action
nos
that is
expériences
taken
et
by
il
the
s'agit
leadership of the
aussi
club.
de prendre
And
des
yes, you're the
actions au niveau de
president-elect,
la
you may be
direction du
secretary-elect,
club.
but
En
it's
tant
really
que
the whole board.
président élu,
It's
le
all
secrétaire
project managers,
élu,
it's all
tous les
club
conseils,
leaders, it's
tous
all
les
directors
responsables de
really need to
projet, tous
support
les
you as president
leaders doivent vous
to
soutenir en
fulfill
tant
the
que
vision of our
président
district of
pour
Rotary
euh,
International. And so the
réaliser
whole
la
idea of
vision de
uniting
notre
for
vie.
good is really coming out
Alors,
of keeping the
l'idée
magic of
d'être
Rotary alive.
unis pour faire le
So think
bien
about what you
est
can do this
lié
year to
à
make
la vie, le
Rotary,
futur, l'avenir
through
de
your
votre.
club
Il faut donc
and your youth
réfléchir
groups.
à la
Whenever
façon
I
dont
talk
vous
about
pouvez
Rotary,
faire que
I
votre
am
club
talking about
et vos
Rotaract and
clubs
Interact and
de
Early Act
jeunesse.
as well. I'm
Je
talking
parle
about
aussi
all of
des
the
early
different
acts,
touch points
Rotaract,
in your
tous
Rotary
les,
family. So
les
think about
points,
how you as
de votre
president
famille de
can make your club
Rotary.
stronger.
Alors,
And it
comment est-ce que
really
vous
does
pouvez
begin with
rendre votre club
the
plus
president
fort?
and the role
Et
of the
il faut
president.
commencer
And I thought
par
this
le
statement
président
by
et le rôle
the
du
president of the
président.
Rotary Club of
Et je crois
Chicago,
que
as you
cette
know,
déclaration
Rotary Club of
du
Chicago
Club
was
de
the first
Rotary
Rotary
de
Club
Chicago,
ever.
c'est le premier
And I
club
find it so
qui a
amazing to
jamais
see that
été
this young man
établi.
who was president a
Et
few years
ce
ago, that they
jeune homme
really
était
are
président il y a
expanding their
quelques
reach
ans
to young
et
leaders,
ils
which is
sont
so
en train
exciting
d'élargir le
for, you know, the
conseil
original
pour
Rotary Club that
attirer
one
plus
might
de jeunes.
think
Et je
is
crois que
stuck
cela est très
perhaps in more traditional
important,
values.
étant
But I
donné
love what Colin
que
said,
nos
is that
clubs
he
ont
talked
souvent des
about,
valeurs
as a
traditionnelles.
president, you
Il a
feel like you have to
parlé
be good at
en tant
everything.
que, il a dit,
Same as
en tant
running a
que président,
business,
on pense
same as being
qu'il
a
faut
parent.
être
You don't have
fort
to be
dans
good at
toutes
everything. You
les
learn what you're good
compétences, mais
at,
pas
and
être
what you
fort
don't
dans
do
toutes les
well,
compétences.
and then you look
Il
to
faut
other people to
apprendre ce
help
qu'on
fill the
sait faire
gaps.
et il
But I
faut
also would
demander
add to
aux
that to
autres
say
pour
that part of your
combler les
leadership
lacunes.
journey as a
Mais
club
je veux
president
ajouter
is
que
also
une
learning new
partie de votre
skills,
voyage
building
et
in areas that you're perhaps not very strong
chaque
at.
semaine,
So
c'est
one of
de
the things that
renforcer
I
vos
talk about a lot and I'm
compétences,
very proud of is during
combler
COVID,
vos
I was
lacunes
on the
car
board of my club, but not the
pardon,
president,
pendant la
but I taught
pandémie, j'ai
myself
fait
Canva
des parties de
during
conseil
COVID. I think
et
many of
j'ai
us did.
appris à
And it is
utiliser
the most
Canva
phenomenal platform, and
et
I use it almost
c'est c'est une
daily. And in
plateforme
fact, if somebody would pay me,
super,
I would do that
j'utilise
now as my
presque tous
full-time
les
job.
jours
But
et
I was
j'aimerais
not
le faire
somebody who was
à temps plein,
very graphically
mais
oriented or artistic.
je
And
n'avais
yet
pas beaucoup
I
de
taught myself this
compétences en
tool and
matière de
I use it
l'art,
regularly.
mais j'ai
I
appris à
still use it
utiliser
for my
cet
club, I use
outil
it for my company.
et je
And so you
continue
can
de
learn new
l'utiliser pour mon
skills. And that,
équipe,
I
pour
think,
mon
is something that
entreprise et vous
is very
pouvez
exciting
apprendre de
about the technology
nouvelles
that's available to us,
compétences.
that we can learn only
Je crois que
skills all
les
the
technologies
time.
nous
So
permettent
just because you're not
d'apprendre
good at something doesn't mean
de
you can't
nouvelles
learn to
compétences.
be,
Si vous
but
n'avez pas un
also
point fort,
draw
vous
on the
pouvez
strengths of the
apprendre
people
de
around you.
nouvelles compétences
Really
et il faut
understand the
profiter
skills and the talents in your
des forces
club and
des membres
tap
du
into
club.
that
Il
to
faut
build the
vous
best club
informer
to
du
achieve your
talent qui
goals.
existe dans votre club
So let's
pour
think
pouvoir
first
atteindre
about being an
l'objectif de
authentic
votre club.
leader.
Il
PDG
faut
Lara,
donc
Lara,
réfléchir à
before you
la signifie
continue,
d'être
not changing.
un leader
My
authentique.
slides are not changing.
No, no,
Je n'ai pas avancé les diapos.
Okay, are they changing now?
no.
Boy.
Est-ce que ça a changé?
could we end, yes, and just reshare in whatever version
Il
you're
faut
able to share
partager
in.
encore une fois
Yeah, okay.
dans n'importe quelle
Is it changing
version.
now?
Cela change maintenant?
If I may, at the top left,
Non.
you have from beginning slide or from
Un
current slide. Click either of those two.
il faut
Yeah,
choisir le
clicked it from
diapo
current
et
slide.
avancer.
Are you seeing the key to being an authentic leader?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
they're correct.
Okay, well, keep me on. Don't.
La
I
clé
can't read
pour
messages,
être
sorry, so you'll need to
leader
shout at me, and
authentique.
that's
Je ne
fine.
peux pas lire les
I'm
messages,
being truly present. I'm leaning
mais
in, DG Easter Us. If you need to shout at me, that's absolutely fine.
si vous devez
Okay,
me
so
parler,
being an authentic
alors
leader,
va-
and I
vas-y.
think this is something
Pour
that
être
really
un
does
leader
help us as
authentique,
Rotarians to
je crois que
understand
cela nous
what
permet,
our
en tant que
values are.
Rotariens, de
Rotary
comprendre
values are very
quelles
clearly
sont nos
defined,
valeurs.
but have we
Les
also
valeurs
defined the
sont
values
bien
of our
définies
club?
et
Have we
il faut définir
understood
à
the
l'aide de
impact
notre
of
club.
our own
Est-ce que nous avons
values?
compris
And do they
l'effet de nos
align with Rotary
valeurs
values?
et est-ce
But also
que
the impact
nos
of those on
valeurs sont
others around
harmonisées
us.
avec les valeurs
So, I mean,
du
a
Rotary?
classic example in
Quels sont les
Rotary that many of
effets
us will
que les gens
have
qui nous entourent?
experienced is
Un exemple
misogyny.
classique,
And
c'est la
Rotary is an
misogynie.
organization that is fully committed and
Et
has
notre
embraced
organisation
DE&I,
s'engage
and I think
à
very proudly so. But
promouvoir la
if as a
diversité et
club leader you
l'égalité.
don't also
Mais
share
si en
those
tant que
values,
leader
then
d'un
there may
groupe,
be an
si vous ne
opportunity for you to
partagez ces
work on
valeurs, vous aurez
understanding
peut-être
that this is what the
l'opportunité
organization
de
reflects
mieux comprendre les
and
valeurs de
value those
l'organisation
values. So
et les
you
valeurs.
have to work to,
Et il faut
I
donc
think, be
travailler
mindful of how your values
de
impact others,
être conscient
but
de la
also
façon
look and
dont vos valeurs
understand why
touchent les
perhaps if you
autres.
don't share a
Et
particular
il faut
value,
comprendre
that may be something
si
that you
vous ne
need to work on.
partagez
So
certaines
being an
valeurs.
authentic
Il
leader
faut
is
donc
really about being honest.
profiter de cela. Il faut
It
donc
really
être
starts with
honnête.
understanding
Cela commence
who you
par
are,
comprendre
what's important to you,
votre
what your
identité,
principles
vos
are,
valeurs, vos
focusing on
principes, vos
being honest. You know, the
priorités,
first
sur
tenet of the
l'action de
four-bit
l'honnêteté.
test. Is it the truth?
L'un des-
And I actually got called
Est-ce que
out
c'est
on
la
this
vérité?
today on
Et
social
on
media by
m'a,
one of my governor
j'ai dû,
classmates in the United States on
l'un
something that I
des
posted on social
gouverneurs
media
des États
that turned
de
out not to be
partager quelque
true.
chose sur les
And
médias
a good
sociaux
lesson for
qui
me, I
n'était
think, for all
pas
of us
vraiment
to,
vrai.
especially
Et
in
c'est une
today's
bonne
climate, to
leçon,
be mindful
notamment
what we
étant
share
donné
and what
le
we post,
climat actuel,
especially as a
il faut
leader.
être conscient de ce que nous
So it's
partageons
really
sur
important
Internet.
to
En
take the
tant que
time,
leader,
do the
leader, c'est
work.
important de prendre
Sometimes
du
it's
temps
emotional,
pour
sometimes
faire
it can
des
be
recherches,
difficult to receive
pour
feedback.
travailler.
You know, many of us are
Parfois, c'est
old
difficile
and feel
de
like we know what we're doing and we've
voir
been doing it for a long time, but you
point.
can always
Parfois, nous
learn.
pensons que
You
nous
can
avons
always
travaillé
do
depuis longtemps.
better.
Et
And a
il
big
faut
part of that is
toujours
listening to others.
apprendre, il faut
So
toujours
to be an
s'efforcer de
authentic
faire mieux.
leader, you have to be very
Pour être
self-aware.
authentique, il faut
Not all
être
of us are good
conscient
at
de
this,
ça.
but
Nous
it
ne
is a
sommes pas
journey.
tous
It is a journey of
forts
learning
en
and
cela, mais
exploration
il
and
s'agit d'un
understanding. And for you to
apprentissage
truly
de
lead your
se
club well,
comprendre.
they
Et
need to
pour
know that
être
you're
bon
authentic.
leader, ils doivent savoir
So
que vous êtes
authentic
authentique.
leadership is really
Un leadership
around
authentique
adhering to your
euh,
values.
et,
We were talking before we began about
aux valeurs.
Barbados
On
Prime
a
Minister
parlé
Mia
d'une
Mottley. Some of
la
you may have
première
seen
ministre
her
de la
speech.
Barbade, Mia
I believe it was
Mottley.
today
Vous
or
aurez peut-être
yesterday in the
vous
Barbados
avez vu
Parliament
sa
about
déclaration
human
dans le
medical
Parlement
staff
barbadien
who
au sujet
supported
du
the Bajan healthcare
personnel
system during the pandemic.
médical
And
de
that is
Cuba
somebody
qui a
that we in the
participé à
Caribbean,
la
certainly the
Barbade
English
pendant
speaking
la
Caribbean,
pandémie.
admire
Et elle
as
est
somebody who
un bon
stands by her
modèle pour
principles
les gens de la
regardless of
Caraïbe
outside
anglophone,
pressure.
une
And
femme
I think we
qui
need more
défend ses
people like
valeurs,
that in the
quelle que
region,
soit
in the
l'expression
world,
externe.
who
Nous
stand up
avons
for what they
besoin de
value.
plus de
I think
personnes comme
many of
elle
the European
qui
leaders,
défendent leurs
President
valeurs.
Zelensky, we're
Je
seeing
crois que
leaders
plusieurs
really coming
leaders
to the
des
fore
nations
and staying true to their values. So
l'Union
that's part of
européenne
being an authentic
apprennent
leader.
à
But
défendre
it's
leurs valeurs.
also
Et cela est
important,
un
as I
élément
said,
clé
to
de
listen to others, to learn from others.
leadership
And
authentique.
all
Il
of
faut
that is
écouter les
to
autres
understand what your
les
strengths
autres
are
et
and what your
apprendre des
weaknesses
autres
are.
pour
Where do you need
comprendre
help?
ses points
where
forts,
could
ses
you learn
faiblesses,
some more about something that you're not
comment
very
est-ce
clear
qu'on
on?
peut
And
apprendre
again, I want to reiterate
plus.
the call to reach out
Et
to
je
the
veux
district. There are
souligner
PDGs, there are AGs,
qu'il
there's
faut
foundation
contacter
chair,
les
there's all
PDG,
sorts of
les
people
responsables de
in our district
fondation
who are
et
there to
beaucoup de
help and
personnes dans
support
notre
you in
district
areas that you
qui
may
sont
not have
disposées
the
à vous
answers.
soutenir, vous aider à
So
combler vos
then,
lacunes.
building on being an authentic leader
Alors, en
is
plus
the
de
idea
cela,
of being a transformational leader.
il faut être
And this is
un
really
leader
about moving
transformationnel.
people in a
Et
particular
il
direction,
s'agit de mobiliser les gens
direction
dans une
to
direction
transform the club,
pour
to build
transformer
something
le
that is
club,
powerful
pour
and
construire
impactful
quelque
and
chose qui soit
sustainable. So
puissant
this is all about
et
how do you
durable.
motivate
Il s'agit de
volunteers,
motiver
not
les
an easy
volontaires.
proposition.
Ce
Laura,
n'est
this
pas facile.
is still at authentic leadership.
Lara, il faut
Okay, I
avancer
lost
les
it, folks.
diapos,
I'm
s'il vous
sorry,
plaît.
I'm going to go.
If
Je
I
suis
may,
désolée.
PDG
Yes,
Lara,
please help
when
me.
you
Please help
share,
me.
you will see when you
Quand
share,
vous
you will see
partagez
another
votre
screen that has
écran,
different
vous aurez
windows.
un autre
Choose the
écran
one that
qui a des
says your
différentes
presentation name and
fenêtres.
slideshow. There you
Choisis
go.
l'écran,
Very good.
choisis
Is it changing
qui dit
now?
le nom de votre présentation. Est-ce que vous le
Yes,
voyez? Est-ce
as
que
the
cela change?
transformation leader.
Oui,
Okay, all right, good.
oui, je vois
So clearly, I'm
l'écran
taking the
avec
feedback.
le
I'm
leadership
going to be recognize my
transformationnel.
strengths and my weaknesses. Okay,
Je
so
suis en train
transformational
d'apprendre
leadership
mes
is
forces
really
et mes faiblesses.
around
Le
motivating your
leadership
leaders to follow you, because of
transformationnel,
course you can't be
euh,
a leader without
euh,
followers.
il faut
But it's about
encourager
expecting
les gens
that
à vous
everybody is going to
suivre
perform at their
et il
best.
faut s'attendre
So
à
you're
ce que tous
motivating people, you're
vont
influencing
performer
people,
au niveau
you
le
are
plus haut. Pour
considerate of
influencer les
their
gens, il faut
situation,
être
but at the end of the day, going
conscient de
into
la
this,
situation des gens,
it's important when
mais
you begin your year
il
to
est
believe
important
that your club
au
can
début de
be
l'année
the
de
amazing club
comprendre
that
que
you want it
votre
to be,
club peut
and that
être un
everybody in
club
your
excellent
organization
et que
can perform
tous les
at the
membres de
highest
votre
level. Not
organisation
it's
peuvent
some people are going to need
travailler au
coaching,
niveau
some
le
people will
plus
need
haut.
support,
Certaines
but at the end of the
personnes
day, it's
auront
really
besoin d'une
important
montre
to
rare,
motivate
mais
them to want
faut
to
motiver
achieve
les
at the
gens
highest level.
pour qu'ils
Did my
souhaitent
slide change?
avoir une performance excellente. Est-ce que l'écran a
Yes.
changé?
Yeah,
La peau a
Any
changé?
statements?
this is the boxes earlier.
Nice, good, all right. I feel like I shouldn't touch it now, but I'll keep going. So some of the questions that we ask ourselves when we think about whether or not we are a transformational leader, so building
Se
on
demande
our
si on est leader
authenticity, then to move to
transformationnel.
being
On a
transformational,
mentionné
is really whether, for
être
example,
authentique et être
we have experience inspiring
transformationnel.
others, maybe in our
Est-ce que nous
organizations.
avons pu
For many of us,
inspirer
we
les
belong
autres?
to sports teams
Nous
or
sommes
alumni
faisons
or
partie d'équipes
other
de
sorts of clubs and
sport,
organizations.
nous
Most
sommes
Rotarians,
membres
as we
d'une
know,
équipe
do not
d'école
just belong to Rotary.
et
Many of us are
la
involved in
plupart
many
des
different things.
Rotariens
So are we inspiring people in
participent à
other
beaucoup
parts of our
d'autres
lives? And
activités.
how can we
Alors,
now
est-ce que nous
bring that
pouvons
talent into our
inspirer des
Rotary
gens
club?
dans d'autres
Do we
éléments de notre
understand
vie?
that
Et
people
comment
in
est-ce que
our
nous
club
pouvons
look to us to
transmettre
do
cette
something so that
inspiration à
they
notre
know
club?
that you would never ask them to do something you wouldn't do yourself? And again, many
Il
of us
faut
have
donc,
been in the trenches. We have come,
nous
worked our
avons
way up through our
travaillé sur le
organization.
terrain,
So people know
nous
that we're
avons
willing to do the work.
avancé dans
But we
notre
also want
organisation
to
et les gens
inspire
savent que nous
others by
sommes
showing that
disposés
we'll
à
get
faire
down with you
le
and do the
travail,
work.
mais il faut
And do we
montrer
also
aux autres que nous
understand that
sommes
we are
disposés à travailler
positive,
avec eux.
energetic,
Est-ce
people like
qu'il
to be
faut
around
être
us,
positif,
people are
il
inspired
faut
by
être
us? All of these
énergique.
questions are important
Et
to
toutes ces
understand
questions
whether
sont
you're an innovative
importantes.
leader
Il faut
or not, or a
comprendre
transformational
qu'on
leader.
est
And if the
leader
answer is no to some of
innovant.
these,
Si la
then that's
réponse
an
est
opportunity
non,
for growth and learning
c'est
and
une
improvement.
possibilité de croissance,
So you don't have to
d'apprentissage et
be
d'amélioration.
Barack
Il
Obama,
ne faut pas
right,
être
Nelson
Barack
Mandela,
Obama,
or Michelle
il ne faut pas
Obama to
être
be
Nelson
inspirational, transformational.
Mandela, il faut
You don't have
être
to be
un
loud. You don't have to be
innovant,
boisterous. These things can be
transformationnel. Il
done
ne
in a
faut pas
quiet way,
parler
but they
trop,
still are positive
mais on
and
peut
they influence
travailler,
change. And remember that
mais
DJ
il
Soraya spoke
influencer
about
les
the
changements. Et
focus that
Soraya
our
a
president-elect
mentionné
Mario had shared with the district governors-elect
l'accent
and with us
que
here
Mario a
a couple of
partagé
weeks ago.
avec les
Innovation,
gouverneurs élus
continuity,
il y a quelques
partnerships.
semaines.
And I love the idea of
Innovation,
innovation in
continuité
Rotary.
et partenariat.
That is something
J'aime
that we
bien
really have to
l'aspect de
harness our
l'innovation dans
energy to
les
and
clubs
do
de
a lot
Rotary
more and a lot better.
pour profiter de nos énergies
Did my
pour
slide
être
change,
plus
leader versus
innovants.
manager?
Est-ce que je peux changer mon diapo?
Yes.
Nice. Good.
Différence
Okay.
entre
And so then
leader
we have
et
the conversation about
manager.
whether we are leaders or
Et
managers. Again, in our
Est-ce
organizations,
que la
sometimes this is
question
quite
pour
clear.
savoir si on est
You might be the
leader ou
business
si on
owner
est
or the CEO or the
directeur.
chairman of the
On est
board,
peut-être
and then you have people in your
entrepreneur,
organization who have a
directeur
job
de notre
title that
entreprise,
specifies that they are a manager.
entreprise
But in a
et il y
Rotary
a des gens
Club
qui
or any voluntary
sont
organization, it's a
type de
slightly different
Rotary
proposition
ou dans les
because it is a
organisations
shared
volontaires, c'est
responsibility. Even though
différent.
you're the
Parce qu'il y a
president,
une
you really do need to
responsabilité
surround yourself with
partagée.
other
Le
leaders.
président
You should
doit
be
être
looking to grow
entouré
leaders
d'autres
within the
leaders.
club.
Il faut
Succession planning, as
développer
we
des
know,
leaders dans le
is a big challenge for
pour
many of our Rotary
préparer
clubs.
à
So
avoir du nouveau
the
leader
idea
dans
of the
l'avenir.
vision comes from the leader.
Alors, la
So it
vision
comes from the
vient du
RI
leader,
president down to the district governor,
du
through the
président vers
AGs,
I,
down
du
to the
gouverneur,
president,
de
and then
district,
push down to
des
the club.
présidents,
But really,
et
we all
ensuite
have to
cela
work together
coule
to
dans le
achieve
flux.
that
Mais
vision.
il faut
So the team
travailler
defines
ensemble pour
how we're going
atteindre
to achieve
cette
that. We're going
vision.
to brainstorm
Et
around
l'équipe
how we're
va
going to achieve the
déterminer
goals that we've
est-ce
set.
qu'on va
So
réaliser
the
nos
managers of the
objectifs.
club then are the
Alors,
ones who
c'est
turn that
leader
vision, those
d'équipe
ideas
et humanistes
into
des gérants
actionable items. So this is
peuvent
where you
créer
have a
des
strategic plan as a Rotary
équipes peuvent
Club.
être mis
Your 3-year
en
plan. What are some of the
Il faut donc
targets that you're
avoir
setting
un
yourself?
plan
Some of them will be
stratégique de
defined by
3
the
ans.
district.
Quels sont les
Others you may
objectifs
have
qui vont
defined as
être,
a club
certains
that has been doing a
objectifs
certain
sont
number of
fixés par le
projects
district
year after
ou
year.
parfois
This is where you
votre
allocate
club
your
fait des
resources. You
projets
have
chacun
budgets set.
et vous
So
pouvez
the
accorder les
president of a
ressources
Rotary
et
Club
établir
is a
le
leader,
budget. Et le
absolutely, but
président
also
du club
has
est un
a certain
leader,
number of
mais il
managerial
doit
responsibilities
avoir des
because this is a team
responsabilités en tant
effort.
que gérant
So the
parce qu'il
managers
s'agit
of the
d'un
club,
effort
you may
d'équipe.
consider your board, you may consider your
Gérants,
project team leads, and they
ce
have to
sont des
support the
membres
vision,
du
but the
conseil et
president
des
also
responsables des
has to be
projets,
able
mais le
to
président
understand
doit
and
être
work with the
capable
team
de
to do these
prendre
things to
et de
achieve the
travailler
vision
avec
of the
l'équipe
club.
pour atteindre
So
la
some of the
vision du club,
different
pour réaliser la vision.
characteristics or
Alors,
responsibilities of a
les
manager versus a leader.
responsabilités
And again, I
du
think that the
gérant
president
et
of a
du
Rotary Club
leader,
straddles both. We have a foot in both camps, as it
le
were.
président
The leader,
a
of course, is all about
deux
innovation,
responsabilités.
developing the club,
Le
building
leader
people,
chargé de
building leaders.
l'innovation, le
Where the
développement
manager
des
might be somebody who is more
personnes
focused
et
on
le
getting things
gérant
done,
met l'accent
getting the budgets,
sur
focusing on club
le
structures and
budget,
systems and training and so on.
les
But I
structures
do
et les
think for
systèmes,
the
la
board of directors for
formation,
the club,
mais
it's
pour le
important to
conseil
understand
des
where people
directeurs,
have their
il est
strengths,
important
where
de
there are
comprendre les
opportunities for learning,
forces,
so that we can
les
all,
possibilités
as a
d'apprentissage
board of
pour qu'on
directors and you as the president,
puisse, en tant
really
que
excel
conseil
in all of these different
administratif,
areas. But leadership
avoir
is
une performance
fundamentally
accélérée dans
action.
tous les domaines. Mais
It is about acting in a way that
l'essence
inspires,
du leadership, c'est
encourages, and
l'action. Il
engages
faut
other
agir d'une
people.
façon qui
You
permet
have to walk
d'engager
the talk.
ou encourager les autres
It
gens.
will be
Il
a
faut
lot of
donc
work.
que
It
qu'on
will be a
ce qu'on dit.
tiring year.
On va faire
But
beaucoup de
trust me when I
travail.
tell you that it also will be
Vous
one of the
serez
best
fatigué cette
years
année,
you have
mais je
in Rotary.
assure que cela
If you
sera
can really
l'une des
harness
meilleures
your team's
années que
energy and
vous allez
potential
avoir.
to
Si vous
achieve
pouvez
the goals that you've set
profiter
for
de
yourself
l'énergie
and
et
that the
du
district has set for
potentiel
the club,
du
it
club
will be an
pour
amazing year. And I
atteindre
think it's
les
important as
objectifs,
well as a leader
cette année va
to think
être
about what's your
incroyable.
legacy going to be at the
C'est
end of the
important de
Rotary year.
penser à votre
How do you
héritage.
want to be
À la
remembered
fin
as
de
a club
cette année,
president?
comment est-ce que vous voulez que
So
les
you've got
gens se
12
souviennent de
months.
vous en tant que président? Vous
What are
avez
you
12
willing to
mois.
do to inspire,
Qu'est-ce que vous
to
allez faire pour
enable, to engage
inspirer,
the members of your
pour
club in such a way
autonomiser,
that at the
pour
end of
engager
your
les
year,
membres du club
they
pour
are
que d'ici la fin
absolutely
de l'année,
devastated that your year has come to an end?
seront
Or
vraiment
are they going to
désolés
be,
que vous
you know,
en tant
I
que
wouldn't say
président, votre
celebrating,
mandat
but
va
pretty
terminer?
glad that it's
Ou est-ce
over?
qu'ils vont fêter
So this is an
le fin de
opportunity
votre
for you to
mandat?
leave a legacy
C'est une
in your club.
possibilité de
And I
laisser
really would
un
encourage you to think
héritage.
about it
Et
from
je
that
vous
point of view.
encourage à réfléchir à cela de cette
Now, as I mentioned,
perspective.
we are going to
J'ai déjà
experience
mentionné que
conflict.
nous allons
Unfortunately, it is it's
allons
a fact of life
être
when more than two
confrontés
human
à des
beings
conflits.
sit in a room or sit in a
C'est
space,
normal quand
even
il y
on
a plus
Zoom.
de 2 personnes dans
So
un
it's
espace,
really
dans une
important
salle,
as a
même
president
sur
of the club,
Zoom,
and I would
et en
encourage you
tant
to
que
really talk to
président
your
du
board
club,
about this as
je
well,
vous
is to
encourage de
develop some
discuter cela
strategies for
avec l'équipe
managing
de conseil,
conflict.
de
And even some
développer des
guidelines and
stratégies
some
pour
rules
gérer
and
les
some
conflits
protocols.
et les lignes
And we can help you with
directrices et
this.
protocoles,
I am
et nous
sure the
pouvons
Rotary
vous
Learning
aider à
Centre
cela.
has some tools,
Je suis certain
information on
que
this,
le
but
centre
also more
d'apprentissage
broadly,
a beaucoup
you are going to
d'informations
get
sur ce
conflict
thème.
with volunteers
Et
because
vous
people are
allez
in Rotary
trouver des
clubs for different
conflits
reasons.
avec avec les volontaires parce que les gens, ça
communicate in
devient
different
membre
ways.
des clubs
People are from
différents.
different generations.
Les gens,
People have
ils ont
different
des différents
expectations
styles
of
de
their Rotary
communication,
service.
ils ont des
So
différentes
it
attentes.
really is
Il
important for you as a
il est donc
president and by
important
extension
en
through
tant
your
que
board
président
to
et
communicate
en tant que
effectively.
conseil
And
de
that does not mean
communiquer
only sending a
efficacement.
WhatsApp
Ça ne signifie,
or only
signifie
sending an
c'est pas
email.
seulement
You have to
l'envoi des
commit
messages, des
to
courriels.
really
Il faut être
talking to and
connecté,
engaging the members
il
of your
faut
club, especially
s'engager
when there's a conflict, to
avec les
understand
membres du
all
club,
points of
notamment
view.
quand il y a un
And we know that there are many
conflit,
members,
pour
my club is no
comprendre toutes les
exception,
perspectives.
who
Il
simply
y a
do not
beaucoup de
respond to
membres
WhatsApps, emails.
qui ne répondent
Sometimes you
aux
physically have to
emails,
go where they
aux
are
courriels. Il
and
faut
sit and have a
parfois
cup of tea or
leur
a glass of rum or whatever it
travailler,
takes
leur
and
visite,
have the
rendre
conversation
visite
and have an
pour
honest,
avoir une
open
discussion avec
conversation.
eux,
Now
pour
remember, we
avoir
started by
une
saying
consultation
you're an
franche.
authentic
Et nous
leader.
avons commencé
That
en
builds
disant que
trust.
vous êtes
People
un
will not
leader
share with you if they
authentique.
don't trust
Cela
you, if they
exige
feel
de
that
la
they can
confiance.
speak with you
Les
in
gens ne vont pas
confidence.
partager
So
leurs
it's an
opinions
important
avec vous,
part of
ils
building
ne font pas
trust is
confiance en
that
vous. Donc
open,
cela, c'est
honest dialogue.
faut
And
avoir
then, of
un
course, bringing the
dialogue
parties
ouvert
together to
et franc.
collaborate, to
Et il
brainstorm,
faut
see whether
avoir
we can
une
share some ideas.
collaboration,
It's not
il faut
necessarily going to be a
partager les idées.
win-win, but
Ça
as
ne va
anybody
pas
who's
être
done
une
negotiations
situation
will
tout
tell you,
gagnant
it should not be a
comme
lose-lose
les
either, right? So
personnes
you're
qui ont
looking for
fait des
perhaps some sort of
négociations pour vous
compromise.
continuer. Il
And
faut
that's
avoir des
really
compromis.
important as a
Voilà.
strategy for
Et
resolving
cela
conflict.
est très
Rotary clubs
important en
cannot
cette stratégie de
prosper
résolution des
if there
conflits.
are
Les clubs
cliques
ne peuvent pas
or there's
prospérer
conflict
s'il y a des
or
groupes
one side of the club is having a problem with
d'amis,
the other side or
s'il y
particular
a
groups. These sorts of
des
things
conflits
are
entre
so
les
toxic.
différents
I've even
équipes
seen
de
it on
travail.
boards in my own
J'ai
club over
observé
the
cela
years.
dans les
I'm
conseils dans
sure there are
mon
many of you
propre.
that have experienced conflict.
Je sais que
We know that some new clubs have
beaucoup
formed
d'entre vous
because of
avaient
conflict.
éprouvé des
So you may
conflits
lose
et
members.
qu'on a formé de nouveaux clubs
But
en
remember
raison
that
des
we
conflits.
have a bigger
Et il faut se
purpose.
rappeler que nous
There
avons
is
un
a bigger
objectif
purpose to
très
what we're doing.
important.
Yes, the fellowship's important. Yes, we love having a good time together. But we
L'amitié
are
est très
uniting
important.
for good.
Et on vient passer le
And
temps
God knows
les
the
uns
world
avec
needs
les
more
autres.
good.
Mais nous sommes unis
So we
pour le
cannot
bien.
allow
Et le monde
conflict
a
and
besoin de
bitterness
plus
and
de bien. Il
gossiping
ne
and
faut pas permettre
back-talking
que le
to
conflit
stop us from
et
achieving our potential as Rotary clubs.
nous
And
empêche
your role as leader
d'atteindre
is
notre
really going to be to try and nip this
potentiel.
in the bud
Et
whenever
votre
you see
objectif
it.
en tant que leader,
So
c'est
there are a
de
number of steps that you
maîtriser
can
le
take.
conflit. Il y a
Again,
un
I'm not going
certain
to
nombre
spend too
de
much time on
étapes
this
que vous
because I'm
pouvez
sure many of
prendre.
you have
Je ne vais pas
done conflict
faire des trous sur
management and
cette
resolution, but
question.
if
Je suis
not, if
certain
this
qu'un
is something that's
certain
happening in
nombre,
your club
non, un
on a
certain nombre
regular basis,
d'entre vous
go
ont
and
fait
ask for
des
help.
cours de formation
Maybe
sur
there's
ce
somebody in
thème.
another Rotary
Vous
club.
pouvez
Maybe there's a
demander de l'aide.
professional
Il y a
outside
peut-être un
Rotary
membre de
who could
notre
come in
club.
and help
Il y a un
mediate
professionnel qui ne fait pas
what's
partie de
happening in your club.
Rotary qui
It's
peuvent
really
aider
about
à résoudre le
building
problème.
a club
Il
that
s'agit de
collaborates, that shares
construire un
achievement and
club
understands that when
collaborateur
one
qui
thrives,
partage
we all
les
thrive.
objectifs, les
There is a very
réalisations
famous
et
expression by a Trinidadian,
les
um,
réalisations d'un
I don't know if she was a singer or she was a choir mistress, but she
chanteuse
says, she always used to say
d'activité
that
et
until all have
elle a
crossed,
visé toujours
none have
que
crossed.
jusqu'à ce que tout le
Speaking
monde a
about,
réussi,
the rights of
personne n'a pas
different
réussi. Elle
marginalized
parlait
groups and so
aussi
on. But I think that
des
really
droits
applies
des
to
groupes
Rotary as well. We all
défavorisés.
have to be in
Et
a good
cela s'applique
place.
à notre
It
club.
can't be that
Nous
half
devons
the club
tous
is
être
working and the other half
réunis.
isn't.
On ne peut pas
Or,
avoir un club
two-thirds of the
dans
club are happy and a
lequel
third is not. And I'm not
la moitié
speaking
des
from a place of
personnes
perfection,
travaillent, ils
because
sont
my club has
contents et les
problems
autres
too.
ne sont pas.
And we are
Mon
hopefully
club
going to be
aussi a
working
des
through them.
problèmes et nous
But
allons
it's never
travailler
going to
pour
be
les
perfect,
résoudre.
but you really want to
Mais
work
cela ne sera
towards getting
jamais
everybody
parfait,
to
mais il
cross,
faut vraiment
because that's
s'efforcer
how we
de
achieve our
faire
goals.
réussir à tous les membres parce
And
que
the way
cela
that
nous
you do
permettra
this,
de
as we
réaliser nos
began,
objectifs.
is to think
Et
about how you act,
faut
how you
réfléchir
behave.
à
And
la
a big
façon
part of
dont
it is
vous
to
agissez,
remember that
dont
people are
vous vous
watching you,
comportez. Il
especially
faut
your young
comprendre
leaders, your
que les gens
directors and
sont
your
en train de
interactors,
vous
your
observer,
sponsors,
notamment les
your
jeunes leaders,
partners, the
vos
government agencies that you partner
menteurs,
with. All of
les
these different
agents
groups
du
are watching
gouvernement
you as a
avec lesquels
president
vous travaillez.
to see how you
Ces
behave.
groupes vous
But
observent
most
en
importantly,
tant
your
que
members.
président pour
And I
voir
think it's
comment vous
important to
travaillez.
start
Et
with
tous vos
being
membres.
accountable,
Il est donc important
taking
d'être
ownership of your
responsable
work, including your
de
mistakes,
sa propre juger
If
de
you
votre
mess up,
travail et
own up.
surtout de vos erreurs.
Ask for
Si
help.
vous mettez une erreur,
Let
il
people know
faut
you made a
l'avouer.
mistake, but you're
Il
working
faut
on it.
demander de l'aide.
You
Il
know,
faut
there's a lot of
demander de l'aide.
training out there they're available for crisis
Il y a
communication
beaucoup de
now.
cours de
Many
formation
firms
au
have experienced
sujet de
massive
la
crisis and
communication en
not handled
crise,
it very well. We've had
en
many
situation
examples
de
right here
crise.
in
Beaucoup
Trinidad. And so I
d'entreprises
do
n'ont pas
think
bien géré
part of
les
that is
crises.
how you
Et je
communicate. I
crois
made a
que
mistake. I'm taking
l'essentiel,
ownership
c'est
and I'm
la
going to
façon
fix
dont on
it.
dit,
It's
j'ai
that
commis une erreur,
accountability.
je
You
vais
cannot
travailler
say,
pour le
it
corriger,
wasn't my
la
fault, it
corriger.
was somebody
On
else's
ne peut
fault.
pas dire que ce
That is
n'était
not
pas
what
ma
leaders
faute,
do.
c'était la faute de quelqu'un d'autre.
You have to
Ce n'est pas
inspire
ça la
people to
réponse
trust
du
you.
leader. Il faut
And
inspirer les
people
gens à
can
faire
only
confiance
trust you if
en
they
vous.
feel that you have
Et les
integrity.
gens ne
So that's
pourront
also,
pas
of course,
faire
about
confiance en vous à
doing what you
moins
say
que
you're
vous
going to
ayez
do,
de
keeping
l'intégrité.
your
Il
word,
faut donc faire ce qu'on
being
dit qu'on va
somebody
faire.
that others can
Il
rely on.
faut
So if you tell
remplir
me as
ses
a member
promesses.
of your club that,
Si vous me dites qu'en
you're going to give me a
membre
call
de
tomorrow
votre
morning, I
club,
expect a
vous
call.
allez
Or you're
m'appeler
going to
demain
send me the
matin,
budget by the end of
je
the week, I
m'attends à ce que
expect
vous
it by the end of the
m'appeliez.
week.
Et si vous
I
me dites
know
que
we're
vous allez
busy,
me transmettre le budget, je
but
veux le
you
recevoir
cannot
d'ici la fin de
lead
la semaine.
effectively
Je
if
sais que
people
nous
can't
sommes tous
rely on you.
occupés, mais vous ne pouvez être
And
un
then
leader
thirdly,
efficace si
being
les gens ne peuvent
empathetic.
pas compter sur vous.
This is something
Il
that I
faut
have struggled with.
aussi
I
avoir
know Tanya and I have had
de
this
la compassion.
conversation. I'm not naturally a
Tania
very
et moi
empathetic
avons
person.
eu
I'm very
cette
impatient.
décision.
And
Je suis
COVID taught
impatient
many of us as
et
business
la
owners and leaders
pandémie nous a
the
enseigné
value and the
en tant
need
que
for being more
leader
empathetic
la
and listening to
nécessité
people and
d'avoir plus de
understanding
compassion,
people's
d'écouter
situations
les gens
and
et de
really
comprendre
trying
la
to meet
situation
people
des
where
gens
they are and be kind. Again, the
et
four-way
d'être
test. Is it beneficial to
sympa
all
avec les gens.
concerned?
Est-ce
It is a
que cela va
difficult thing to
bénéficier à
do
ceux
because you've
qui
got things to do,
participent?
you've got
C'est difficile
projects to get
parce que vous
funded,
avez vos
we've said we were going to
responsabilités,
do
il
it,
y a des
let's get it
projets
going.
qui sont
And you
financés
might be that sort of person, but not everybody is. So
et
empathy is a very important characteristic
la
for an effective
compassion
Rotary
est
Club
une
president. So think
caractéristique
on
très
those.
importante pour les
Again, may not be
leaders.
your
Il faut
strengths, maybe something that
réfléchir.
you need to work on,
Cela n'est pas
ask for
un
help,
point
ask for
fort
support,
pour vous
or maybe
pour
there's somebody else
demander
in
de
your club
l'aide
that
de
really is
soutien,
strong in this
ou
area
il y a
that could
peut-être
take some
un
of
autre
that.
membre de
As I said
votre
at the beginning, you
conseil qui a
don't
beaucoup
have
de
to do everything,
compassion. Il ne
but you
faut
have to
pas
make
être
sure that
fort en
everything is
toutes les
done.
compétences, mais il faut faire en sorte
And
que
one
toutes
of the key
les
tenets to any
capacités
successful
soient
organization,
présentes dans vos
project, team,
les
company, you name it,
projets,
Rotary Club,
l'équipe.
is communication. This is something
L'essentiel,
that
c'est la
we
communication.
absolutely must pay more attention to.
Il
You
faut
can,
faire
as I
plus
said,
d'attention
I'm
à la
terrible for
communication.
sending emails
Je ne-
and then getting annoyed when
J'envoie
somebody hasn't
parfois des
replied to me in
courriels
3.2
et je
seconds
suis fâchée quand
because I
les
tend
gens,
to be very
les gens ne répondent pas
OCD about
immédiatement
emails.
parce
And I know not
que
everybody's like that. I'm learning that not everybody's like that. My
quand il
club always
s'agit
mocks me because
des
when I was
courriels,
secretary, they would
les
get the
membres
minutes
de
of the
mon
board
club,
meeting before they'd even
euh,
left the Zoom room or
quand
gone back
j'étais
home because I would do
secrétaire,
them as we were doing the
j'envoyais
meeting. And that's my style.
le procès
But I had
verbal
to
du
also
réunion
appreciate
à
that
la
not everybody's like that.
suite que la
So it's
réunion était
about
faite.
building relationships,
Mais il faut
understanding
accepter
people
que
where they are,
tous les
how they
secrétaires ne pourront
communicate.
pas
And
faire
this is
cela.
going to
Il
help
faut donc
your
comprendre
membership
les gens
retention.
et ça va nous
Because if members
aider
feel like they're being listened
à
to, they
retenir
feel
les
like
membres.
the leader of the
Les gens,
club
membres
really does
sont
understand them and
de
communicates
leader du
in a
club,
way that's
du club
meaningful and impactful,
va
they're going to
communiquer d'une
stay and they're going to love
façon
Rotary.
euh,
And that's the challenge, right?
importante.
Is how to get Rotary or to
Comment
rebuild the
est-ce
club or
qu'on
build the
peut
club into a place where people love to
reconstruire le
be.
club
So making sure that
et faire
as
en
you,
sorte
through
que
your
les gens
secretary or
aiment
PR
bien être
chair,
dans le club?
whoever it might be, that
Il
you have
faut
regular
travailler avec le
contact,
secrétaire,
making sure
il
that
faut
your club
avoir un
members know
contact
what's happening,
régulier, il
whatever
faut
mechanism that is.
faire en sorte
We
que
do a mix
les
of in-person and
membres
virtual
restent au
meetings.
courant de ce qui
Some
se
clubs
passe. Nous avons
have
des
gone back
réunions
fully to
présentielles
in-person,
et
some are
virtuelles.
fully
Un certain nombre
virtual.
de clubs
There are
ont des
newsletters,
réunions.
there's
Toutes les
Facebook,
réunions
there's
sont
all
présentielles.
these different
Il
tools
y a
that you
des
can use.
bulletins,
But
il y
it's
a
really
Facebook,
about
il y a
building
toute
that
une série
engagement because that leads
d'outils
to
qu'on peut
retention. So
utiliser
it's one thing to
pour
bring new members
créer
in.
des liens forts.
Fantastic, we need to do that.
Oui, il est important
But you
d'avoir de
also
nouveaux
have to
membres.
focus on keeping
Il
and
faut
engaging the
aussi
members that you do have.
retenir et
So
engager les
that is a
membres
very important
existants.
thing. It's much easier
C'est un
to
élément
bring new
très
members
clé.
in when your club is
C'est
a happy,
facile
lovely club
d'attirer de
where
nouveaux
people really
membres
want
quand
to be.
votre club est très
So we
performant où tous
communicate
les membres
effectively
sont très
by
contents. Il faut
understanding or
avoir
making sure that all of our Rotarians
communication de façon
understand what is expected.
efficace en
The roles.
faisant
One of
en
the
sorte
things that I
que
found
les membres
insightful in my club
sont au
a few years
courant
ago,
des
we had a
rôles,
number of
des
new members
attentes.
join
il y a quelques ans,
fabulous,
nous avons
fabulous
eu ça
Rotarians, and very quickly joined the
beaucoup de
board,
nouveaux membres
which is
et
exciting
ils
for
sont
us.
devenus membres du
And we did
conseil,
not
ce qui est très
have
fascinant pour nous.
job
Mais nous n'avons
descriptions
pas
for the
eu
various
des
roles on the
descriptions
board. We did
de
not
postes pour les
only not have
différents
job
postes du
descriptions, we just sort of
conseil,
had a one-liner about what the
mais
job was
nous
for in our
avons eu
bylaws, but also more generally around how the board
une
operated,
description très
the roles and
oui,
responsibilities of
fallait
directors.
avoir
So
des
we have been working
informations sur les
on
rôles et
a
les
kind of a manual for the
responsabilités des
board that I
dirigeants.
think is
Et
really
nous
going to be
avons
helpful.
dû
So
construire
I've been on
un
the board for
manuel
100 years, so I
contre
know, but it
Je
doesn't mean
suis
that
là
somebody
depuis
new joining the board
longtemps
automatically will know.
et
So
je
part
connais
of your
bien les
job
rôles, mais
as a
cela ne
leader,
signifie que
building
les
your
nouveaux
board, your
vont
team,
comprendre
to
leur
make sure that they
responsabilité.
understand their roles and
Donc, il
responsibilities.
faut donc faire en sorte que
Clear
les gens comprennent leur
communication.
rôle, leur
Okay,
responsabilité.
coaching is a key part of
Donc,
your job
avoir
as
une
well
bonne
to
communication.
build future
Le
leaders in the club.
mentorat est très
We talked
important pour
about
créer de
resolving
nouveaux
conflict,
leaders dans le club.
promoting
Il faut résoudre
collaboration. One
les
of the
conflits,
things that we
promouvoir
have
la
done in our club a few
collaboration.
times
Dans notre
is
club, nous avons
asking
plusieurs
more experienced
nous
senior
avons
members
demandé
to
aux membres
interview
qui ont
our
plus
new
d'expérience
members and do their
de,
classification talk together. And it's a
de
great
parler
way
avec les
for
nouveaux
a new
membres.
member to connect with a,
Cela
I'm not going to
permet
say
aux nouveaux
older, a
membres
senior member, and for
d'avoir
the senior
des
member to
liens
meet new
forts
members,
avec
because
un
again,
membre
we're
qui a
doing
plus
so much
d'expérience
virtually that we've lost some of
parce
those
qu'on a
personal
autant de
connections.
réunions
So that kind of
virtuelles que nous avons
collaboration,
perdu ces
looking for
liens
opportunities to
personnels.
bring
Il faut
different
chercher
members
des
of the club together
possibilités
to work
de
on things
réunir les
together. I
différents
think that's going to
membres
be a
du
very
club pour
powerful way
travailler
to
sur
build
les
an
projets.
effective club.
Cela
And
permet
then
ça
as a
de
club
créer
leader,
un club plus
celebrate your wins.
efficace. Et en tant
Every
que
month, every
leader, il faut
quarter,
fêter les
celebrate the
victoires
Rotarian.
chaque
You remember,
mois.
some of us will remember we
Il
used to do
faut,
100%
nous
attendance,
avons eu
get a certificate, we
des
call out the names of the Rotarians who had
certificats
100%
spéciaux pour les
attendance.
personnes qui
There are
avaient
things
un
like that that you
100%
can do
de
very
présence dans
creatively
les
in your club
réunions.
to
Et vous
celebrate the
pouvez faire
members.
de cela pour
Okay, even
fêter
small
les
wins are worth
accomplissements des
celebrating.
membres. Et les petites
And so, in
victoires
order for
sont
you
dignes
to
d'être
truly be
fêtées.
an effective
Et
communicator as a
afin
club president,
d'être un bon
is to remember the 7
communicateur,
C's.
c'est de rappeler,
Have a look
de
at the
se
slides
rappeler
after.
les
I don't
7
need to go through them in
C,
any great depth,
et voir le
but it's
diapo
important, I think,
après.
as an
Et il est
authentic
important en
transformational
tant
leader
que leader
to be always
transformationnel, en
mindful
tant
of not
qu'authentique,
just
d'être
what you
toujours
communicate, but
conscient
how.
non seulement de ce
If
que
you're
vous
going to write
communiquez,
an
mais
email,
la
write it and
façon
then
dont
leave it.
vous allez
If you're going to do a
envoyer un
WhatsApp or a
courrier
news, write it and
et
then leave
de
it. Come back to
rédiger.
it, be thoughtful.
Il faut
Because
revenir,
those,
il faut
especially things you
réfléchir au
post online,
contenu de
those things do not
ce
go
courrier.
away. So
Parce
you need to be
que
a
ces
thoughtful,
choses vont faire,
considerate
euh,
leader
il faut
through
être
how you communicate to your
considéré, il
members.
faut euh,
And then
réfléchir
finally,
à la façon
one
dont
of the
on
key
communique
aspects of
avec les
being an
membres.
effective club
Et
president is
finalement,
stewardship.
l'un des
I know that
aspects clés,
stewardship
c'est
predominantly refers
l'intendance.
to money,
Je sais que
but I do
l'intendance
also
est
think that
liée
it's
souvent
important to
avec
understand that
l'argent,
you are
mais je crois
stewards
qu'il est
of a
important
brand,
de comprendre que vous
you
êtes
are
un
stewards
tendeur
of a
d'une
reputation,
marque, vous
you
êtes
are
chargé
stewards
d'une
of,
réputation,
in some
vous
cases,
avez la
money, but also it might be
responsabilité de
information.
l'argent,
You are
mais
stewards of
aussi
people's
des
time. You
informations.
might be stewards
Vous
of
avez la
of their children
responsabilité du
coming to a
temps
project
et
or the
des
Interact
enfants
Club.
qui
So it's really
vont
about careful and
travailler dans les
responsible
projets, dans les clubs
management or
intérêts.
leadership
Il
of
faut
something that
avoir
has
donc
been
une bonne
entrusted to you.
gestion de ce
So we
qui
use the
vous
word
a été
stewardship a lot
mis
when we talk about
à
sustainable
votre
projects. When we
charge.
talk about
On parle aussi
sustainability and building that as a pillar
de la
of the work that you do in
durabilité.
Rotary. And it's really the idea about building healthy,
Il
equitable,
faut construire
sustainable clubs. So
des
again,
clubs
think about your
équitables,
legacy.
durables
When you leave your
et
club,
forts. Pour réfléchir à
June
votre héritage.
30th,
À la fin de votre mandat,
2026,
le 30
at
juin 2020,
11:59.99 p.m.,
à
as you close
minuit,
off your year in president,
lorsque vous
what will your
terminez
legacy be?
votre
Have you left
mandat en tant
behind
que président,
a
quel
healthy,
sera votre
equitable, sustainable
héritage?
club?
Est-ce que vous avez
Does
créé
everybody in
un
your
club
club
plus
feel
fort, plus
engaged? Do they
équitable,
feel
plus
loved?
durable? Est-ce
Do
que
they
les
feel as
membres
if
se
the
sont
year was really an
engagés? Est-ce
astonishing,
qu'ils se sont,
remarkable,
est-ce qu'ils
transformational year for the
vous
club? We have
appréciez?
so many
Est-ce que cette année a
opportunities
été
as club
transformationnée?
presidents
Est-ce que vous
to
avez
really put
profité
our
de toutes
energy
les
into building something
possibilités?
that will last.
Et il
And your
faut
Rotary Club
donc
may have been around
créer
for 50
quelque
years or
chose
60
de
years,
durable. Et
but
votre
is it
club
really
existe
healthy?
peut-être depuis 50
And
ans,
again, there's
mais
lots of
est-ce que
tools
c'est
that Rotary
en
provides you to
santé
check the health of
et
your
qu'il
club.
y a beaucoup
Is it
d'outils que vous
thriving?
pouvez
Is it
utiliser
an
pour
equitable club?
confirmer
Does
le
everybody
niveau
in
de
your club
santé?
truly
Est-ce
feel
qu'il
heard
s'agit
and
d'un
seen?
est-ce que c'est un
Or is
club
it just a few?
équitable? Est-ce
So think about
que
your
tous
role
les
as a steward. All
membres
of those
ont
things we've
un
talked about
voix?
will lead
il faut réfléchir à votre rôle en tant que personne chargée et
There are
il faut
techniques
avoir
for
une bonne
becoming a
alternance.
responsible
Il y a des
steward. A lot of
techniques
it
qui
is around
permettent d'être
documentation,
un
processes,
gestionnaire
etc.
responsable,
But a lot of it
notamment
also is
les
around
documentations et les
understanding the
processus,
impact of the work that you
mais
do
il
in your
faut aussi
community
comprendre
with your young
les
people, with
effets
your members.
de votre travail
So
sur la
really
communauté,
holding yourself
les jeunes, sur les
accountable
membres, et
to
il faut
being
être
responsible and
responsable
building a healthy,
et
equitable,
pour
sustainable club.
construire
A club
un
where
club
members are
durable,
united for
équitable,
good,
dans
to do
lequel les
all those
membres
things
sont
that
unis pour le
President-elect
bien,
Mario spoke about.
pour
Be innovative. He talked
les
about
activités que
continuity. This
Marion
isn't
a
possible
mentionnées.
without
On a parlé
partnerships.
de la
And I also want
continuité,
to
de
encourage you
l'innovation.
once again
Mais il faut
to
avoir des
use the Rotary
partenariats.
action
Et je
plans
vous
that are
encourage de
available to
profiter
you.
des plans
There's one for
d'action qui
membership.
existent.
There's one for
Il y a un
communication.
plan
There's one
pour
for the
les
Rotary
membres, pour
Foundation.
la
So use the
communication, pour la
tools. You're not
fondation
being asked
Rotary.
to
Il faut,
reinvent the Rotary wheel,
il faut
but to use
réinventer
it to
la roue
create
de
a club that
Rotary,
you're really
mais
proud
il
of. So
faut
at the end of your
profiter
year,
des
you can
choses
look back and say,
existantes pour
that was
créer
amazing.
un club plus
If I
fort
say so myself,
pour qu'à la fin
pretty proud of what
d'ici
we've
la fin de
achieved.
l'année, vous serez
So
fiers
remember
de
that
ce que
being a
vous
club
avez
president is an important
accompli.
responsibility.
C'est
You
une
have to focus on being
responsabilité très
authentic and
importante.
transformational,
Il faut être
building
authentique,
strong clubs that communicate
transformationnel. Il
effectively,
faut créer
that
des clubs
collaborate to
forts
achieve
avec
goals.
une bonne
So remember to
communication
lead
qui
boldly,
collabore pour
connect deeply, and
réaliser
keep the
les
magic of
objectifs.
Rotary alive.
Il
Thank
faut
you very much indeed. Appreciate it.
vous remercie de votre attention.
Thanks a
Merci.
lot, PDG Lara. We have some questions, and I would like to hand over in a second to our AG Liz Cox, who will present the
C'est la
questions, and I
parole
hope you can
à
take the time to answer them. We have about 20 minutes, and in the meantime, well, AG Liz will
encore 20 minutes.
answer your questions. I will try
Entre-temps,
to
PDG Lara va
post
répondre
the
à vos
QR
questions.
code for our evaluations, because it's very important to help you all
Mettre
to be better. We're
l'écran,
all
le
learning,
code, le
also
QR
your
code,
committee who's trying to do the PELs. So thanks a
de
lot,
faire
and
notre
I'm going to give the
évaluation.
mic to AG Liz. Thank you, Liz. Thank you, Lara.
Passer
Thank you, AG.
à Egilie.
Amazing, Lara. Amazing.
Thank
you. It's
you.
useful. Very useful points. We have some
Incroyable,
questions in the
Lara.
chat. First question is, how do you get the young ones take up leadership roles? And I've seen some of that
qu'on peut
myself in terms of, especially Rotaractors coming into Rotary. Sometimes they just seem to, the energy seem to dissipate. So the question is, how do you get them rallied?
Well, I think
et
it's
comment
important to,
faire
well,
les
first of all,
rallier.
understand what their expectations are of being a leader, because remember that our Rotaractors who transition, for many of them,
Et
they
pas
don't have the
que
control of their
la
time that we do
transaction
in
avec le
Rotary. Some senior
Rotaract,
leaders,
très souvent,
many of
ils
them
ne
may
sont
have
pas
young families, so it's
ils n'ont pas
important
toujours
for them to manage
le contrôle de leur
expectations early, so
temps.
you know
Ils ont
what they
peut-être des
can do and what they
familles.
can't. And then I would
Donc,
suggest connecting their leadership to what they're passionate about.
peut
So if,
attendre d'eux.
putting, for example,
Mais on va essayer de mettre l'accent sur ce qui les passionne.
Rotarian in charge of, I don't know, the budget, the finance,
Rotaract, qui sont de nouveaux Rotariens.
project, you're probably not going to get the best out of them. Now, that's not to say that they can't learn to do budget, and we shouldn't all be able to do many things in Rotary. But I think if you want the best out of your leaders at whatever age, it's important to understand, I said communicate, understand what their challenges might be, what their expectations are, and then try to connect their passion and why they love Rotary with the work that they're assigned to do. May help.
À la mission du Rotary.
Very important. And we have a question from Dominique. She's asking, how can you help
Question de Dominique qui demande comment peut-on aider, peut-on arrêter la fatigue.
Alcohol in the Caribbean that I would recommend. I think, you have a nice pina colada on the deck after work, Lise, yes?
De pina colada sur le balcon.
You do have to, again, as I said at the very beginning about being authentic, right? You have to know your strengths and weaknesses. So you're no good to anybody if you're burnt out.
Et on ressent cette fatigue, justement.
Hey, Wari. One of the things that I always remember, RuPaul, for those of you that love Drag Race, RuPaul saying, how the hell can you love somebody else if you don't
RuPaul,
love
c'est un
yourself?
a
You
dit,
have to love yourself first in order to have the energy and the strength and the stamina to love others and to, be positive and enthused and energetic. So you have to have balance in your life
enthousiaste,
across all aspects
un
of your life, no
équilibre
matter
dans la
whether it's
vie,
Rotary.
tous les
Asking for
aspects de la
help,
vie,
leaning on others.
et
Remember, I
on
started by
peut
saying we
pouvoir
don't have to
demander
do
de
it all.
l'aide, pouvoir
And
s'appuyer
it may
sur
even be
les autres.
it
On
may
peut pas
even be
tout faire
somebody
seul.
from another club that could help you. It may be somebody from the district team. And then really finding time at the end of the. There are times where you can say no. It's quite a powerful thing to say no.
Il y a des
It's not
moments où il
natural, I
faut
think, for
pouvoir
Rotarians
dire
who tend to be
non.
all yes people, but sometimes you may just have to say no. You know what? I need to take a break for 24 hours or a weekend.
Il
But
faut
you've got
savoir
your
faire
board
une
there, you've got
pause de
your
24
club there to,
heures. Oui.
it's really important to lean on
Et
others.
vous
Some people
avez
who
le
can't. You can't
club,
do it on your own.
All right, thank you.
vous
Well, I
devez
had a
pouvoir vous
question in terms of
appuyer.
intergenerational challenges because I know that especially for
Défis
the bigger clubs,
intergénérationnels
the traditions
ou les
are something that the
tiens ou les
older
traditions
generation or the more seasoned Rotarians hold on to, but then there's the
sont
younger ones that
beaucoup
are
plus
coming in and
ancrées.
there are often clashes. So
Des-
what are some tips you can share on how we manage?
Il y
Well,
a
that's
des
one of the older
conflits.
generation, I guess now.
Me too.
Yeah, and
Je
I
fais
remember
partie
when
de
I joined
l'âge.
Rotary. I mean, I was only 27 when I joined Rotary, so should have really joined Rotaract, but didn't know anything about it back then. And there were a lot of much older members of the club who were very stuck in their ways, and it really, I think, was important. And I'm saying this in hindsight because I did not do this at the
C'est
time.
dans
I
leurs
recognize.
habitudes
But to understand
et
why
c'est
those
quelque
other things
chose
were important.
sur lequel
To really
si je fais un regard
speak to. So again,
en arrière,
having mentors of senior Rotarians with younger Rotarians to bridge those gaps, understand why is it so important
for
for us to do
pour
something this way, or
établir
many
des
times they
ponts.
don't understand.
Il est,
On
pourquoi il
either
est
side,
important pour nous
the older
de
generation doesn't
faire,
understand younger
de
people's
procéder d'une
expression of,
certaine
I don't know,
façon.
TikTok. But I put my mother on TikTok and I haven't seen
Les
her since.
anciennes
So I do
comprennent
think that,
pas
sometimes it's just about exposure and
l'obsession
learning and
pour TikTok.
understanding.
Moi,
It's not
mais
easy, for
parfois
sure.
il
And
s'agit
many
tout
people are
juste
resistant to change. But I do think clubs, we've seen it.
facile.
Those of us,
Et,
I don't want to belabor the point, but
non, mais
David and others will know that at the Council on Legislation, there's whole sections of the Rotary world, America, Australia, Great Britain, that are having to completely rethink how they do Rotary because clubs are dying, literally, right? They're not bringing in young people. They're not bringing in, they're not focused on D&I. And so the traditions, I believe you can keep traditions that work.
et il leur
And
faut
also have great new vibrant traditions. So I think that blending is where there's real power. And we've done that quite well across the Caribbean, I think, for the most part. Some traditions are no longer relevant. Some are. And we must respect
à le
those
faire.
that are.
Certaines
But then
traditions
we
sont
can
pertinentes,
fuse them or repackage them
d'autres
in
ne
a
le
way that's
sont pas.
appealing to young Rotarians.
Les emballer
Of course,
d'une
kudos,
autre
Sonia, on your
façon.
presentation.
Et
As usual.
bien
We
sûr,
have a question here from Kala. How does a
hésitation,
leader deal with polarization in a
présentation.
club?
Polarization.
Est-ce que les leaders font polarisation dans les clubs?
Carla, what do you mean? You being polarized, or you mean people in the club, like 2-3 separate camps?
Yeah, well, remember you said
Tu
in
veux
your
dire, Carla,
presentation, good evening, everyone,
Right.
that having cliques in a club doesn't go well
comme
for
tu
the
l'as
club, right?
dit,
So I'm
quand on a
just
des
saying,
clics
for me, that is
les clubs,
polarization, you see? So I'm
Yeah.
just asking the question, how
ce
do
que
leaders
j'entends par
really deal with that?
polarisation, quand il y a
I mean,
les
even with your
clics sont
experience in
formés,
maybe conflict resolution, and so
Ouais.
what would you
Yeah.
advise? Yeah.
I think the key thing with that. Thank you for the question, Carla. Nice to see you in San Francisco. I thought you were in Central Trinidad, but okay.
I can't figure out how to put it background on.
That's all right. We accept people from all over the world. I think it really starts with understanding why there's polarization. So it's
cela
that
commence
communication, asking questions, as I said in the conflict resolution, conducting an investigation. And sometimes it might be helpful for somebody outside the club, if your members are open to that,
peut-être mener une
to come in, maybe
enquête,
somebody from another club, maybe the AG or a PDG or
club
conflict resolution
ou
specialist if it's really become
un
quite toxic. And
PDG.
then also, of course, as the club leader, you can try to, I don't want to say to influence people to connect, to work together, assign them to projects together. But you're never gonna get rid of all of it. It's
Essayer de
human
regrouper
nature,
les gens par
unfortunately.
projet.
People sit with the
Je
people they
pense que
want to
c'est
sit
quelque chose
with.
dont on ne
People
pourra pas se
like to align with
débarrasser
the people that they align with. And I do think
totalement
it's
parce que c'est quelque chose
really a
de
requisite as
naturel. Les gens
Rotarians,
se
I
rassemblent
love
parce
all the members
que
of my club and we're all best friends, but we should certainly all be able to work together, and we should certainly not have any negativity that means that we're not able to achieve our goals. So, I mean, I'm happy to chat with you after. I'm not an expert in this, by the way, because I myself cause conflict as well. I'm very aware of that. So, so I have to be mindful of, I know my personality is very strong.
I appreciate that.
Not everybody loves it, but I'm happy to chat with you after about it. We can brainstorm.
Thank you.
on pourra discuter.
Thank you, Lara. I don't see any other question. Clearly, your presentation was lucidly clear, but I'm sure persons who may have questions, you can always reach out to PDG Lara or the learning team.
Vous pouvez contacter PDG Lara ou son équipe.
Most people have it, but I'll put my email in the chat.
And back to AG Liz. Back to you.
Thank you, AG Liz. Liz. I think it can be confusing for some people, but I also know both our official names are Elizabeth.
Confusion pour certains.
Well, Liz has Elizabeth with a Z. I have Elizabeth with an S. Thank you, PDG Lara.
S. Merci, PDG Lara. Je voudrais juste dire conférence, allez la rencontrer. Et si vous avez des questions,
DGE Soraya is still there.
DGE Soraya est toujours là. Je pense qu'en principe, selon l'ordre du jour, elle doit prendre la parole dans 10 minutes.
Any tips on building relationship between our Rotaract clubs and our Rotary clubs?
Oh, yes, I love that. Thank you. We have to do so much better, all of us, with our connections with Rotaract and Interact. It really does involve a lot of communication, sharing, working together. One of the things that we've done in my club is that every project we have as a club, we have a Rotaract representative on that project team, so that there is always a connection. So on the Model UN team, we have 2 Rotaractors, I think. We try and always make sure that they're involved in our work, and we obviously support them with theirs. I think meeting them early in the year to help plan their year.
Quand on les rencontre assez tôt, parce que ce qui se passe à beaucoup de Rotaract, c'est qu'ils arrivent au Rotary quand ils ont besoin, s'adressent au Rotary quand ils ont besoin d'argent, s'ils ont besoin de payer pour quelque chose. Mais je pense
it's definitely better communication. Have the 2 boards meet early in the year. Have quarterly Zoom chats with the
2 comités d'administration se rencontrent, le président devrait se connaître et il devrait construire une équipe de Rotary.
They're always very keen, and they have work to do too. They're not blameless in this, because sometimes you ask them for information and they don't send it. But I do think more communication, and again, meet them where they are. They're very social media, social fellowship driven. So you may have to, be where they are. But I think it's very important to have open, frequent communication.
And if I might add, Lara, the AG can also help to bridge that gap between the 2.
Yeah.
Et aussi
I served as district Rotaract chair for 3 years back in the days when
à combler ces lacunes.
We didn't have a list of the clubs, and so we've come a long way, and I really think our district needs to be commended for the work that has gone into building the relationships with Rotaract. And
beaucoup de chemin depuis pour établir des rapports.
Rotary world, like District 7020, I think we may even have 1-to-1. Almost every Rotary club has a Rotaract club. And I remember going to districts when I was in the US on GSE, and there were whole districts with not a single Rotaract club. So we are miles ahead of the Rotary world in terms of our engagement and support for young people. But there's definitely gaps. and we definitely can do better. I would agree.
associé à
Thanks
un
for
club
that,
Rotary.
PDG Lara. If I can also add that this is definitely a focus for us this year. And the current Rotaract leadership really wants to introduce a pathway
Gens du
that has
Rotaract
everyone
actuel
focused on that type of collaboration between Rotaract and Rotary, so that
mettra
you
en
can
place
actually see that seamless movement from one program to the next, because that's the other thing that we want to bridge.
Well, that's really, I mean, that's your point, Sarah, about
Yeah.
Rotary, about growing clubs. The obvious place
Correct.
to grow your club is from your Rotaractors.
Correct.
But
Correct.
many of them,
des
sorry to
clubs,
interrupt, they, you know,
c'est
they
de
form
cela
a
qu'il
new Rotary
s'agit.
club of former
C'est eux qui
Rotaractors
forment.
rather than them joining in existing clubs.
Correct.
And I think that was a moment, you know, I understand why, but a moment of reflection for us about why did they not
Là,
want
c'est
to just
passé
join our clubs?
Yeah.
You
But
know?
then that's okay.
là et
That's in line
Yeah,
with the-
absolutely. It's nothing wrong with it.
that's in
Nothing
line
wrong
with
with it.
with the current movement really, or
Yeah.
the direction that you can have multiple ways to
Yeah.
grow Rotary.
Exactly. But you don't want to be a club where people don't want to be
façon
as well.
de
But that is true too.
The
But you
best
have to
approach.
accept the reality that may very well
croissance
be what it
dans
is.
le
That's right.
Rotary,
Yeah,
mais
yeah,
c'est
yeah.
une
Absolutely.
réalité qui
And
va
I know that, you know, former RA President Barry
se
Wilson, he
manifester dans
also
la
put
réalité.
Rotaract on the kind of Rotary world stage. And
Correct.
he really has pushed that focus on young people. And that's the future of our organization. So we have to take it
Absolutely.
seriously.
Absolutely. And I would also
Right.
just share that coming back from International Assembly, which is that final training ground,
L'Assemblée
Rotaractors were actually present and participated in the
des
training with
Rotaractiens
district
étaient
governors.
présents
So
et a
again, setting the
participé
tone
à la
and the direction
formation
of
avec,
Rotary going forward.
et
So yeah,
cela a
working
donné le
with our
ton
district very
pour ce
much
qui va se passer, en
a
fait.
tighter approach really relative to Rotaract and Rotary.
All right, thank you. There's a question from Larry Lawrence. Any suggestions on how you engage members who are chronically absent from meetings and events, having a conversation with them about their behavior? How can you conduct this conversation?
I'm going to hand that one over to PDG Sonia. No, I'm
Avec des membres sur ce
That's a tough one.
je vais
Larry.
parler, je vais
From
passer la parole à la
experience.
PDG Sonia.
Yeah, my
Je pense que
colleagues
nous
have
avons
mentioned that,
tous
sadly. We kind of went
cette
through,
expérience.
what we
Mon
call
club lui-même
traffic
aussi
light
a passé par là.
evaluation. So we have green light members, you know, top class,
Passion
fully
qu'on
engaged
appelle
leadership. We have
les,
the amber light
les,
members who are sometimes there, you know, you can call on them for some things, but they don't come, but they're not completely absent. And then we have the red lights who are delinquent, let's call it that. And we have over the last few months really put a lot of effort. We have a new
ils
membership
sont
chair
vraiment
in connecting with them to understand
il
why they're not
y a une
engaging.
délinquance dans
And it's a very
en ce
frustrating
sens.
exercise, if I'm honest, because people will say, you know, well, I can't make the in-person meetings.
Dire
But then we meet virtually, you
qu'ils
know,
ne
twice a
peuvent
month.
pas
But I can't make the evening meetings. But then we have a lunch
réunir
meeting
face à
once a month,
face,
and
mais
then we have weekend events. So some people, I feel like I don't know, maybe they've just lost the passion.
ou alors lors
And
d'un
I'm
repas.
of the view, this is
Peut-être que
my
c'est
personal view, that there are some people who should leave the
mon
club.
avis.
And I know my board will hate me for saying this.
Il y a
I've been
des
saying it for
personnes qui
years.
devraient
Rotary is very clear about what the guidelines
quitter
for
le.
young Rotarian are. It's very clear what engagement is expected. But it's important to understand where that person
Il
is
est très
at
clair
in their
que
life,
ces
what's
personnes
happening at home, what's happening with their business. So not everybody will engage at full steam all the time. But I think if you honestly have,
tout le monde ne
you
peut
know,
pas
few
aller à
members who
toute
are really
vapeur
not
tout le
doing
temps,
anything of any
mais
consequence, it's to have those
qui
conversations. I had a
ne
meeting with the Rotary Club of one of the Grenada clubs a few months ago, and we actually devised KPIs for Rotarians
Grenade
and looked at all the opportunities, all of those touch
a
points.
mis en place
For those of you who do customer service training, you know that there's the customer
où on a
experience and customer
examiné
journey, and there are multiple touch points where you can influence customer behavior, kind of like that, but from a Rotary perspective. Very insightful to see you in a 365-day year.
pour
You have probably got 100 opportunities to engage your Rotary Club. Online, in person, donations, attending fundraisers, being
on
in
leur donne
fellowship,
300 dans
digital
305,
conference, whatever
60
it might
jours
be.
environ
And you can't
100
do any of
façons
them
montrer son
I
engagement.
honestly, and this is just me, I'm not speaking
Et
for the governor
s'ils
elect,
prouvent qu'ils ne peuvent
but
faire,
I do think at this point, a conversation has to be had with that person. Maybe a leave of absence is better if you're dealing with stuff in your life. And life happens, I get that. But there also is a time maybe that person is not right for Rotary.
c'est pour une période s'ils ont
Unfortunately,
des
we're supposed to
problèmes
be
dans leur
growing,
vie.
but we don't want to grow with
Peut-être que
people
cette
who are not
personne n'est pas
adding value. I don't think.
All right, we have another question.
pas
We still have
ajouter de la
a few minutes
valeur.
more that we can touch
Une
on this
autre
if we can. There's a
question,
question on interfacing with members who have different religious views with reference to different Rotary projects. I
avec
presume maybe the alcohol part, while projects align with Rotary and they do not align with their religious views. How do you manage such members?
Interesting. Yeah, I mean, again, speaking from experience, we had a Model UN a few years
des
ago where we were looking at the rights of the LGBTQI plus community. And this wasn't Rotarians so much, but we had a few members of our partner group that refused to
nous
participate
avions
because
un
of their
membre qui
religious
avait
convictions.
une
And it was
association
unfortunate
avec
because
le
we had some people who
LGBTQ.
lost out on that opportunity, but I
Dans
can't
nos
force people. I don't think you can force
clubs qui a
people.
refusé
can
de travailler avec eux. Je pense qu'on ne peut pas forcer les personnes.
And the strategic goals, but if somebody is dead set against it because of their religious tradition, I don't think you can force them. Maybe
Mais
there's
si
another way they can
quelqu'un
support
a
the
des,
club and put them on another project.
croyances
We
religieuses,
know that there
peut-être
are
qu'il y a
Rotarians who don't think religion
d'autres
is
choses qu'ils
natural.
peuvent faire
So even
pour
moving past the religious tradition,
être
there are
impliqués dans
monks that
le
don't think
club.
women should be in Rotary. So we have challenges. We are human beings that live in cultures that are
Les femmes ne
diverse
devraient pas être au
and
Rotary.
have many
Il y a beaucoup
traditions
de
that we have to overcome.
défis,
Many
il
Rotary
y
are
a
not
beaucoup
progressive
de
countries in
diversité
terms
dans
of
nos clubs.
the rights of
Nous
marginalized
sommes dans des
communities,
pays
others are not. So
progressifs,
you
le
have to be
droit des
mindful of the
communautés
context, but
marginalisées,
I think we
d'autres
have
ne
to
le sont
strive
pas.
always
Donc,
to
il
make
faut
your
être
club more
conscient
modern
du
and relevant
contexte et
and
aussi
try and move it
essayer
forward as best you can, but being
de
empathetic and
rendre
listening
votre
and
club
open.
pertinent dans le et
So
avoir de
it's
l'empathie
what
et
is it they
pouvoir
say? Live
aider
gently but
leur
carry a big stick. So I think it's about softly, but we're still going
agir,
forward, right? We can't stay in the
gentiment,
past.
agir gentiment,
Thank you.
mais
Additional that
avec
clarifies your point, your question. Please, over to you.
Thank you,
j'essaie
AG Liz.
à
I think we did a very good
cette
session
question.
today,
Merci.
and I thank all of you who
Séance
participated. And
aujourd'hui
please,
et
try to put the QR code several times in the chat. I will put it again when our
QR code dans le
DGE
chat.
Soraya will have her thank you words. Please
Yeah.
try to evaluate the sessions. It helps
Donner
us to help you better. And that's why we're all into Rotary, to help each other. We are one big family. So I would like to pass the mic to Soraya again. And thanks a lot to everybody. And I will put a QR code to get you evaluated.
Je vais passer la parole
a few minutes. Thanks a lot.
vous et je vais mettre
Thank you so much,
le QR.
So really, I have the pleasure of thanking you,
Merci,
PG
DJ
Lara, for
Liz.
your eloquent presentation on effective leadership, for sharing your wisdom with us. And
L'éloquence de votre présentation va partager avec nous sagesse et j'apprécie énormément le soutien que vous nous avez fourni. C'est fondamental pour les Rotariens et
personal growth to ethical standards and community service, fostering that environment where
l'engagement dans le cadre de services communautaires
in the communities that they serve. So thank you again for
à
your support.
développer leur
Thank you to the club leadership for your participation this evening. You can expect
aux dirigeants de club participation.
at our in-person PELS, and I look forward to seeing all of you in Trinidad next month. I'd also like to extend thanks to the learning team for their support.
Vous rencontrez à Trinidad
French interpreters and the technical support from our communications officer. Thank you all so very much for participating in this second PELS session. Good evening.
Dans cette deuxième séance. Merci. Bonsoir.
Good night, all. Bye.
Good night.
And everyone.